tap water has more enamel-protecting fluoride than most bottled waters. Dr. Mike Roizen here with some simple tips for a brighter smile. In addition to brushing and flossing, these few simple steps can also help you keep your teeth in tip-top shape. Say no to bottled water. You'll help save your teeth and the planet by not drinking bottled water. After all, tap water has more enamel-protecting fluoride than most bottled waters. Munch on apples and celery. I love them. Both contain substances that fight gum disease, plus their rough, fibrous texture helps scrub away food particles as you chew to brighten your smile. And snack on low-fat, no sugar-added yogurt. It's good for your gums. People who eat about 2 ounces of no sugar-added yogurt a day are less likely to have severe gum disease. Stock up on straws. Tooth enamel is designed to be a coat of armor for your teeth. The acid in juice, sports drinks, and soda erodes that tooth enamel. So sip sports drinks and cranberry, prune, and citrus juices through a straw to limit your teeth's direct exposure.